absolutely recommend it. Like I said, it helps you develop yourself.
Definitely go for it. I feel I've progressed not only within the apprenticeship but also in my confidence. I'm completing a corporate responsibility and sustainability apprenticeship.
I'm completing a mechanical maintenance apprenticeship.
I'm currently completing a technical electrical apprentice at DRAX.
I am completing the Digital Technology and Solutions Specialist Apprenticeship, brackets Data Science.
I'm completing an electrical control instrumentation technician apprenticeship. Through speaking to people, I've sort of got a good idea of what's entailed with the apprenticeship and been able to find out about the company before I applied, and then now I'm here. It's a really good place.
I believe my apprenticeship has the impact on a greener future, that we are working with technologies and industries that need to continue to develop in order for net zero to happen. DRAX is at the core of that.
I feel my apprenticeship will impact communities, businesses and education. It's important to target people from a younger age and identify the issues that are ongoing.
I'm definitely more independent. I'm more hands-on, especially in home life. For example, we had a lawnmower breakdown. It was an electrical problem I fixed straight away.
Giving me communication skills and the ability to work within a smaller team or a larger team with people from different backgrounds to do with either age or where they come from or their different beliefs.
I feel I've gained a lot of confidence and I'm increasing my knowledge as I go through my apprenticeship, and it's really good to see my personal development coming through as well.